cups of graham cracker crumbs. It's a 1/4 cup of sugar. Stir, stir, stir. You can make this in the food processor too, but I already had the crumbs. And then 4 tablespoons of unsalted melted butter. Stir them together until all the crumbs are moistened, and then you can get it into your springform pan. Just wanted to show you one thing. This is a 9-inch springform, and normally you would probably think you're gonna put the pan bottom in with the ridge side up. I like to put it in with the ridge side down, and I'll tell you why. There's a good reason. It's because when you take your cake out, it's much easier to remove from the bottom of the pan, and it doesn't get caught in there. So pour your crust mix-ins into your pan, and then spread it out into the bottom and then press it in. That's it, just the bottom. It's not going up the sides or anything like that. Have your oven preheating to 350 degrees. You wanna just cook this until it sets and gets just slightly more golden. That usually takes about 10 to 12 minutes. You can do it right on a baking sheet. So when you take your crust out of the oven, reduce the temperature to 300 because that's how you're gonna wanna bake your cheesecake, and then let the crust cool. In here, I have 4 8-ounce packages of cream cheese, softened, like room temp. And then you can add 1 1/4 cups of sugar to that. It's creaming, but instead of butter, you're using cream cheese. So you can add your sugar to that. And then just give it a little mixy mix, and you can add your pumpkin. It's a cup of pure pumpkin puree. You can make your own if you want to, but I love canned pumpkin. 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Give that a mix. Everything is on the side, so give it a scrape. It's a pretty big amount of filling, so you're gonna wanna get down to the bottom of the bowl and make sure that it's not unmixed down there. Then the pumpkin pie flavorings, pumpkin pie spice, 2 tablespoons. Pumpkin pie spice is a combination of cinnamon, ginger, nutmeg, clove. It kind of depends. We actually have a recipe for it on our website in case you want to make your own, but I know most people like to buy it. Give that a mix and add a tablespoon of pure vanilla extract, as well as a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. 4 large eggs, 1 at a time. Now you just want to beat everything until it's combined. Pour all of your delicious mixture. Oh, it does smell really good, you guys. Good. Smooth the top. Get it into the oven, and what you want to do is bake this at 300 degrees for 45 minutes, and then turn the oven off, but leave the door closed for another 2 hours for it to finish setting and baking. Okay. When it comes out of the oven, you're gonna wanna let it cool to room temp and then refrigerate it until it's completely chilled and set. Then you can release the sides. Should come out nicely. Take it off here now. Why not? And then you can cut it and eat it. If you have whipped cream, even better, right? To get really nice clean slices, just keep a container of hot water on hand. Yeah, so just for clean slices, it just makes it easier. Wipe it off between each slice, warm water. The first slice is always a little hard to get out. I can see that the tip is gonna break off, but that's okay, because it's just for me. There, yep, it did. Let's taste it. Because I'm here for you guys. Wow, that is great. Full of delicious, warming spices. It's pumpkin pie cheesecake, and it's super easy, so you should make it.